spirit's power level! It's rising up even higher now!
No way! Could this be from the energy he absorbed earlier? This is even better than I imagined! He truly has the power of a god! Mortals can't touch him!
This outcome was the only possibility.
Guys, just look around you. Be honest. You really want to keep on struggling? Why not just quit and go home? Everything will be fine. Trust me.
Do you really intend to fight me, knowing that you are sure to fail? You're just another weakling, nothing but a single solitary mortal. If you insist, then I have no choice but to break your fragile spirit.
I don't think so, Jerry. I ain't breaking nobody's spirit.
Oh, this one's spirit isn't so fragile. But I'm fascinated to see how this fight will go.
Late to the party. At this point, there is no easy solution. It's true, you are merely a mortal, yet you can go toe-to-toe with someone like Jiren. We really gotta stop leaving the fates of entire universes to mortals.
Yeah, you little show-off! Don't you try to upstage me, or you'll regret it!
Hey, just so you know, you're my uncle too, you know. I brought down destruction. What choice do I have?
You need a little reminder as to why the gods should be feared.
I am not afraid. Not even of you. Soon the gods themselves will yield before my justice.
Really? I'll be sure to commend you for that, if you survive.
I'll make sure you can't run the mouth of God ever again!
This ends now!
To fight the strongest man in Universe 11.
You might be dead, but you don't stand a chance against the mighty Lord Chopper! You know?
This ends now!
Just like my uncle was. I'm gonna prove like this. That justice isn't about or
This ends now!
is about spend. That's it.
His aura's beginning to dissipate. Let's end this quick!
I'm not going to lose! No one will defeat me ever again!
Well done, Jiren. Should have known you'd still have this much power left over.
Deflect it, or cancel it out. Either option's going to bring about a world of pain. No other choice. We have to destroy Jiren.
Don't do it! Damn you! There's really no other way. I know it has to be done.
Do not lose hope.
What the? Have you gone insane? If you don't move now, then you'll get caught up in it yourself.
I don't mean to defy a god of destruction. Please forgive me. However, every life is precious to a hero. And you feel the same way, right, Goku?
Huh? Goku?
Well, I don't call myself a hero or anything. Not like you guys. But still, I made a promise, and I'm keeping it! Yeah!
Amazing! I can't believe he's going toe-to-toe with Jiren!
I don't understand. What was it that sparked this in you? No matter. Struggle as you may, you're still nothing but a weakling. Why don't you stop this and just surrender to me?
Oh, Jiren. We gonna have a problem if you forget about me.
You are so gonna get it!
No respect for the gods.
This is not going the way I planned.
Damn it! Their energies are getting dangerously close to their limit.
Whoa! Is that?
What the? Oh,
Oh
my
yeah!
God.
Ultra Instinct is back!
Time to fulfill my promise, Jiren.